Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy. With millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Please always refer to your use and care guide and installation manual before beginning any repair, as they are the primary sources of information regarding your appliance. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Replace all parts and panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock. Before you begin the installation of the dryer repair kit components, be sure to unplug the power cord. Your first step is to pull out the lint screen and remove the 2 screws near the opening. Next, insert a putty knife under the front of the main top to release the 2 spring clips, and rotate the top up. Disconnect the door switch wires and remove the top front panel screws. Now lift the panel up and out. If your model has 2 front panels, use a flathead screwdriver to release the lower panel from the retaining clips. If applicable, remove the 2 springs. Now, loosen the 2 screws at the bottom of the upper panel and lift the panel off. If necessary, depress the old pulley to release the belt tension and unthread the old belt from the pulley and motor shaft. If still intact, use the belt to lift the drum out. Discard the old belt. Unscrew the mounting bracket for the left support roller and unclip it from the shaft. Now, remove the front tri-rings to detach both of the old rollers. And remove the back tri-rings as well. You're now ready to install the new support rollers, belt, and tension pulley. Clean the shafts and slide on the back tri-rings. Slide on the new rollers and secure with the front tri-rings. Replace the mounting bracket for the left roller and secure with the clip and screw. Replace the drum by aligning its rim on the 2 new rollers. Install the new dryer belt by placing it rib side down along the outside of the drum. Install the new tension pulley by inserting it into the slots in the base and loop the belt around the pulley and motor shaft in a zigzag formation. Rotate the drum to help align the belt. If your model has a solid front panel, line up the drum with the front panel seal. Then align the slots with the retaining clips and press down the panel until it locks into place. If your model has 2 panels, align the slots in the upper panel with the screws while lining up the drum. Tighten the screws. If applicable, reinstall the 2 springs. And replace the lower panel by snapping it into position. Now, reinstall the 2 screws on top and reconnect the door switch wires. Rotate the main top back into place and press down on the front to secure the spring clips. Install the 2 screws at the lint screen opening. Replace the lint screen and plug the appliance back in to make sure it's functioning properly. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.